opinions, languages, religions. We stand together as one. Unity in diversity. This is India and we are proud Indians.
Good morning, respected parents, teachers, and my dear friends. Let's start the Republic Day Assembly by seeking the blessings of God. The purpose of prayer is not to enforce God, but rather to change the feelings of the one who plays. For English prayer we have Yulwat Singh. For Hindi prayer we have Rian Faruqi. For school prayer we have Alham. Join your hands and close your eyes and bow your head. Dear God, at the start today, help us to learn and help us to pray, to focus on what we do, to understand and remember too. Help us to spend the day in your grace with a joy in your heart and a smile on your face. Amen.
Mev Mata Chapita Tamev Bandhu Chasaka Tamev Vidya Dibudam Tamev Sarvam Mandev Udev. Hands by your side, get ready for the school pledge. Vidya is a balance case, Vidya stretch, the is edge. We will do our school and country proud. Vidya is a balance kids, abiding, loyal and loving, energetic, noble and sincere. These qualities are a very essence. We are children of substance.
I would like to call up dignitaries to commemorate the flag hoisting event and request all to kindly rise up for the national anthem.
Freedom in mind, strength in words, pureness in our blood, pride in our souls, zeal in our heart. Let's all salute India on Republic Day. Vande Mataram. Super morning to our Honorable Chairman, Sir Amin, Director, respected Nausheen Ma'am, most valued parents, teachers, and my dearest children. Wish you a very happy 73rd Republic Day celebration. Like all festivals, we celebrate the birth anniversaries. Today, we commemorate the birth anniversary of our Constitution. Today, India became a sovereign democratic republic. When you grow up, children, you will get to know what it means. It is such a pride to be living in a country which is a sovereign democratic republic. Your teachers, they have told you about the constitution, that our country has the longest constitution, and there are certain rules which are laid down for all the citizens to follow these rules so that we can all live in peace. And as you grow up, you will understand the importance of these rules even more clearly. Republic Day brings with it emotions of patriotism, love for our country in every citizen, be it big or small, young or old, everybody has a love for our country. And with Republic Day and other national festivals, this feeling of patriotism always increases and it becomes more prominent. Our constitution has given us some fundamental rights, like the right to equality, right to freedom, right to caste and religion, and there is one important right, that is right to education. It is our duty to be educated for the progress of this nation. It is important that we try to educate each and every individual, each and every citizen of India. There are some very underprivileged children who do not get education because they cannot afford it. There are some who do not know the value of education. So, as responsible citizens of India, we should try and at least give one child, we should pick up at least one child to teach that child and to educate the child, because it is education which produces responsible citizens, and the progress of a nation depends upon its upon its responsible youth. So let us all make this our motto. Each one teach one.
Ma'am, you're on mute.
So let us all make this our motto. Each one teach one, so that we can contribute towards making our nation progressive. While we enjoy all our rights that the Constitution has given us, it is our duty towards the nation to spread love and happiness. And that happens when we have educated citizens in our country. We have attained this freedom not easily. We all know that there have been so many sacrifices. Only after that we have attained this freedom. So let us salute those heroes, our patriotic heroes who have sacrificed their lives that we breathe free air of India and we enjoy all these rights. We must tell stories of these patriotic leaders, our freedom fighters, to our children, so that they get to know that how our ancestors, our citizens of India, our patriotic leaders have sacrificed their lives, and how we have attained this freedom. Let every parent instill in their child a love for the nation. India is a land of rich heritage and culture, and we should be proud to belong to a nation which respects more than 6 religions and 1,618 languages. We belong to such a nation where there is so much variety, and yet we all live peacefully. On this Republic Day, let us take a resolution to help the needy and spread happiness. By spreading happiness, you increase your own repertoire of happiness. So let us together join hands to build a strong nation by fulfilling our responsibilities and duties. As quoted by Mahatma Gandhi, be the change that you wish to see in the world. Let us all together be that change. Jai Hind.
Now we have our friend who will tell us more about Republic Day. In India, 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day with pride and fervour. The Constitution of India came into force on this day in the year 1950. On 26 January in 1950, our country India was declared as sovereign, secular, socialist, democratic and republic. Constitution means the basic principle and law of the nation. Sovereign means supreme ruler. Secular means normal but religious rule. And socialist means a person who practices socialism. Republic means people of India have the power to govern the country themselves. The constitution was drafted under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and the first session of Indian Parliament was conducted on this day. On this day, a parade is held at Rajpath, New Delhi, that showcases the mighty Indian military and the cultural diversity of our country in the presence of the President of India. The President of India hoists the national flag, followed by 21 gunshots and national anthem played by military band. Celebrated in schools and colleges all over India. Cultural programs along with flag hosting, patriotic songs and nature activities of the day. ये बात हवा को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी, चिरागों को जलाए रखना, खून दे कल की जिसकी हिफाजत, ऐसे तिरंगे को दिल में बसाए रखना. Coming apart, friends, with a patriotic song which will surely invoke a feeling of patriotism. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. present our patriotic dance number to develop a feeling of brotherhood amongst us.
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तू आबाद रहे तू।
ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू।
मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से,